Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review and demo from MiTBA Kitchenware. This is their copper grilling and baking mats. So when you order these on Amazon, it does come with 3. So for the price, it's a very good deal. These are reusable, can be used time and time again. And what I thought was kind of unique about it is they are kind of thin, so you are able to cut them if you need them to fit a certain size pan. Because these sheets are considered extra large and it was a little oversized for my cookie sheet. Inside are instructions. As I said, you can use these on the barbecue grill or for baking in the oven. It's heat resistant up to 500 degrees. And then it's really easy to clean them. They suggest letting them cool to touch about 15 minutes or so and then directly cleaning them. It makes it easier to get the grease off of the mats. So I used mine to make my favorite chocolate chip cookies. And you can see it's a little bit taller than my pan. I didn't cut mine, but you could definitely easily do that. And I baked my cookies according to the instructions on the recipe. And when it came out, I was really surprised. I thought the mat would be a lot hotter than it was. You could actually put your hand on it and it was just a little warm. So I like that you can touch it and it's easier to remove the cookies. And the cookies did remove very easily with no residue. None of them stuck to the sheet. So I thought these were really awesome. And this brand has a lot of really cool products that I have reviewed, so I will link all their information below and you can find these on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.